Digital nomading here in the Philippines, stealing the training academy right in front of you guys, 40 inch time lapse, dark to dark, update number 43. Today was a recovery day, and it feels quite good to get rest and sleep all day. Yes, that is what I did. Now, it is time to jump back into it, and I do have about 85 hours running total over the past 7 days, so I do have a bit of a padding to operate at the level I still want to operate at, about 80 hours a week. So what are the next steps? First, I'm going to start with a really hard workout. Legs. 2 supersets of leg extensions, superset with partial reps, 9 sets of full range of motion, high rep squats. That gets my alertness back, that gets my focus back. After that, we are going to work open to goal. Open to goal, what does that mean? You pick a task and work at it until completion. And the task for that is Instantly.ai subsequence triggers. I've been working on that for 2 days. I cannot get them to work. Today, we will get them to work. With all that being said, let's get after it.